Hello there and welcome to another one of these Lexical Lab 1 minute English videos. If you like this video, make sure you subscribe to our YouTube channel and check out our website www.lexicallab.com to find out more about our online courses. The other day, something rather weird happened to me. I got a friend request on Facebook from someone whose name rang a vague bell. On looking into it, I realised it was a kid I'd been at school with almost 40 years ago. He was basically not someone I have fond memories of. While he wasn't the school bully, he was part of the school bullies gang, and I was quite badly bullied for a while at secondary school. And this kid sending me the friend request now was one of the people that used to egg the bully on. If you egg someone on, you strongly encourage them to do something nasty or something stupid or something bad. So maybe you've seen the guy in the bar drinking the bottle of mezcal, this kind of tequila-like stuff that has the little worm in it, and the worm contains a hell of a lot of alcohol. Maybe you've seen groups of friends kind of going, do it, drink it, drink it, drink it, before the guy drinks and eats the worm, which messes him up. Basically, they're egging him on. They're encouraging him to do this stupid thing. Sometimes you see a couple of people fighting outside a pub or in a school playground, egged on by their friends. And maybe, if you're a rather naive parent and your child gets into trouble at school, for starting a food fight, for example, you might be in denial and you might be telling yourself that your child could never have done this themselves. They've never been in trouble before. They must have been egged on by bad friends of theirs. If you've enjoyed this video, please do click the like button. Please share it on social media with your friends, your students, your colleagues. And in the comment section below, we'd love to see examples of how you might use egg on.